Good morning. Today we have a e-help ready for delivery for a customer that want to put on the motor and the battery packs by themselves, and that's great. So we have the tailpiece, the motor mount is on, the cabling is ready made, the rope to the hang loop, the folding device, the speed controller, the main switch, and the base plate that you put on your harness with the help of these mounts in different size, and the quick pin and everything. The electronic box is in place, and also the mouth control piece. So, and I have these a little bit more beefy mount now for the battery packs together with the Velcro, and yeah, all cabling, everything is ready made. So it's just to solder on the connectors on the batteries and ready to go, more or less. So that's a possibility how you can have your e-help from Meij-tech ready made.